Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to link your bank account with Wise application. So first of all, of course, you will need a Wise application on your phone. So if you don't have that, please go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just launch here my Wise application, and then as we said, how to link your bank account on this Wise application. So all we need to do first is just set up your transfer on Wise. So how you can do that, it's simply by going here to your account. You'll find it on the top, or I mean the bottom right corner. Then all you need to do is just go and click at the account details. Then as you can see here, it gets account details from Wise. Just click here at continue, choose whatever currency here. So let's just choose it. We will need just to fill this. So as you can see here, you will need to fill your personal details, deposit at least 20 of the British currency, pound currency. I have here the British pound currency because I choose this as my main currency. You may have another currency here, the currency of course that you're gonna use, and then you will need to verify your identity by maybe uploading a picture of your passport, ID, or even driver's license or something like that. Then all you need to do, you'll need to, after doing that, of course you would like to choose linked bank account from, you will find this option wait here on your account as well. After verifying your account, you will find this option that I just said, which is link bank account. At the payment step, then select a bank that you want to link, log into your bank account, select your preferred account, then set payment limits and expiry date, then review details and authorize. So that's how you actually link a bank account with Wise application. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Thanks for watching and goodbye.